Cold email is an essential skill for businesses, but achieving the perfect balance between efficiency and personalization can be challenging. Now, two popular tools, Mailbutler and Yesware, offer unique strengths designed to simplify and optimize this process. In this comparison, we'll dive deep to determine which tool is better suited for small teams aiming to enhance their cold emailing outcomes. Introduction to Mailbutler. So, Mailbutler positions itself primarily as an intuitive extension aimed at boosting email productivity right within your current inbox. It's compatible with Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail. Mailbutler provides an integration that feels natural and straightforward. It's especially ideal for individuals or small teams who need practical, no-fuss solutions. One of Mailbutler's standout features is its instant notifications. You're promptly informed whether your email is opened or if recipients engage with any attached links or files. This capability significantly improves the timing of your follow-ups, which is crucial for maintaining momentum in cold outreach. Additionally, Mailbutler offers the option to schedule emails in advance, ensuring that your message reaches prospects exactly when they're most likely to check their inbox. Beyond tracking and scheduling, Mailbutler also streamlines your workflow by allowing emails to be quickly converted into actionable tasks or reminders directly from your inbox. This integration reduces context switching and helps you maintain focus on your outreach objectives. Now, Mailbutler includes customizable email signatures that elevate your professional image, aiding credibility in initial cold interactions. Introducing Yesware. So, Yesware, by comparison, positions itself as a user-friendly sales engagement platform tailored explicitly for sales teams focused on expanding their outreach and scaling their operations. Yesware is built around enhancing productivity, boosting response rates, and providing deeper insights through data analytics. One of Yesware's biggest advantages lies in its comprehensive analytics and A/B testing capabilities. The tool allows you to rapidly identify which email content, subject lines, or messaging strategies resonate best with your target audience. Yesware provides detailed visibility into recipient engagement, helping you understand exactly how prospects interact with attachments, including granular insights like which pages of a document that they viewed most. In addition to tracking, Yesware integrates seamlessly with major email platforms like Gmail and Outlook, meaning that teams can leverage these powerful tools without disrupting their existing workflows. Its feature set includes multi-channel campaign automation, sophisticated attachment tracking, and easy integration with popular CRM systems, most notably Salesforce, streamlining data synchronization and reducing manual administrative tasks. Comparing email tracking and analytics. Now, when comparing email tracking and analytics capabilities, both Mailbutler and Yesware excel in tracking basic metrics such as email opens and link clicks. Mailbutler provides straightforward, immediate notifications on email interactions, keeping things simple and intuitive. This simplicity makes it especially beneficial for teams that prefer quick, actionable insights without having to interpret complex data. Yesware, however, provides significantly deeper analytical capabilities, making it particularly valuable for teams seeking comprehensive insights. Yesware goes beyond basic tracking to reveal precise details about recipient interactions with emails and attachments. For example, it highlights not just when an attachment is viewed, but how long recipients spend on specific pages, offering invaluable insights into their interest levels. Yesware's advanced analytics can significantly enhance the effectiveness of follow-up communications by helping teams tailor messaging based on recipient behavior. Detailed engagement data allows your team to segment prospects more effectively and craft highly targeted follow-up strategies, increasing the likelihood of positive responses. Now, for teams that constantly optimize and refine their cold emailing approaches based on detailed data, Yesware's advanced analytics are a crucial advantage here. Ease of use and implementation. Now, Mailbutler stands out for its remarkable ease of setup and implementation. The tool is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, requiring only minimal training or technical expertise. Mailbutler can be fully integrated into your email client within minutes, and its intuitive interface means that team members can start benefiting from its features immediately. Yesware also emphasizes ease of implementation with the promise of quick setup and integration into popular email platforms. However, due to its more extensive features, new users may find the initial learning curve somewhat steeper, especially when comparing directly to Mailbutler. Yesware addresses this by offering extensive resources, detailed training materials, and responsive customer support to ensure smooth adoption. Now, although Yesware demands more initial investment of both time, effort, and money, the long-term productivity gains from its comprehensive feature set can be substantial. Customization and email templates. Yesware notably excels in email customization and template management. It allows teams to effortlessly create, test, and optimize, as well as share email templates with each other. Its advanced reporting provides real-time feedback on template performance, enabling rapid iteration and continuous improvement of your email content strategy. Additionally, Yesware supports detailed A/B testing, allowing your team to clearly identify which email templates are most effective at driving engagement. Mailbutler also provides email template functionality, offering basic yet efficient features suitable for standard use. However, it lacks the advanced optimization and A/B testing capabilities provided by Yesware. Mailbutler is more appropriate for teams that require straightforward, quick-to-use templates without needing detailed analytics. For those who prioritize continuous refinement and performance optimization of their cold email campaigns, Yesware's extensive template management tools deliver greater value. Campaign management and automation. Yesware offers multi-channel campaign management tools, significantly expanding automation capabilities beyond traditional email outreach. Its platform integrates emails seamlessly with phone calls, social media outreach, and LinkedIn interactions. This comprehensive multi-channel approach helps maintain a high level of engagement with prospects across various communication channels, greatly enhancing overall outreach and effectiveness. Mailbutler, while effective at managing email-centric campaigns, primarily focuses on scheduling and simple automated follow-ups. It lacks the multi-channel integration capabilities provided by Yesware. If your team's strategy involves a broader approach, incorporating multiple communication channels into your outreach, then Yesware offers a decisive advantage in effectiveness and convenience. CRM integration. Both Mailbutler and Yesware offer CRM integration, but Yesware notably excels with its deep and seamless Salesforce integration. This integration automatically syncs email activities, prospect interactions, and outreach outcomes directly with Salesforce, significantly reducing manual data entry and administrative tasks. The result is enhanced productivity, greater accuracy, and more actionable sales insights. Mailbutler also integrates well with popular CRMs, but its integrations are typically simpler and less comprehensive compared to Yesware. Teams heavily reliant on Salesforce for managing complex sales processes and extensive customer relationships will greatly benefit from Yesware's superior CRM integration capabilities. Pricing and value. When evaluating cost efficiency, Mailbutler holds a clear advantage, starting at $3.95 per user per month. This affordability makes it accessible for small teams or individuals on limited budgets. Mailbutler offers essential email productivity features and good value for straightforward email management needs. Going beyond their $3.95 per month plan, called their tracking plan, which just gets you open tracking and link tracking. Next, they have their professional plan at $7.95 per user per month. Here, you can manage your contacts, schedule your emails, create customizable signatures, insert message templates instantly, add follow-up tasks, tag email notes, tasks, signatures, and templates, share those with your team, and more. Moving on to their Smart plan, which is their most popular plan at $12.95 per user per month. This is where they introduce their AI-powered email assistants that can help write, improve, and summarize emails for you. And there's also the business plan at $29.95 per user per month, where you get priority customer support. Yesware's entry-level pricing begins at $19 per month, reflecting its broader range of advanced features, analytics, and integrations. Although it's pricier, Yesware delivers significant value for teams who leverage comprehensive analytics, advanced automation, and CRM integration extensively to drive results. Now, moving on from their intro plan at $19 per month, they have their premium plan at $45 per seat per month. Beyond that, they have their enterprise plan at $85 per seat per month, and you can save up to 23% by using annual pricing. Now, if you want to get started with either of these platforms, we'll have links for you down in the description below. If you want to get started with Yesware, just click the link down in the description next to Yesware, which will bring you this page right here, where you can go ahead and start a free forever trial. Just click the link down in the description to get started. And if you want to get started with Mailbutler, we'll have a link down there as well. And again, they have a free trial where you can go ahead and get started for 14 days. After that, use code CharlieChangMediaMB for 15% off your order. Customer support. So both tools provide reliable customer support via email and phone. Yesware enhances its support offerings further by providing dedicated customer success managers managers, extensive onboarding resources, detailed training programs, and proactive assistance. This support model is particularly beneficial for rapidly growing or scaling teams requiring ongoing strategic guidance and advanced operational support. So which tool is best for cold emails? Choosing between Mailbutler and Yesware ultimately hinges on your team's goals, operational scale, and available resources. If your team prioritizes straightforward, efficient email outreach with minimal complexity, Mailbutler offers an accessible, intuitive solution. Its affordability, ease of use, and essential features deliver immediate value for simple email productivity improvements. On the other hand, if your small team has ambitious growth objectives, requires advanced analytics, CRM integration, multi-channel campaigns, and sophisticated automation, Yesware clearly emerges as the superior choice when comparing these two platforms. Its comprehensive tools significantly enhance your ability to scale outreach and leverage data-driven strategies. The decision should align closely with your team's specific requirements and growth trajectory. And if you want to get started with either of these products, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.